Hi Shoebox friends, Dollar Tree prices may be up to $1.75 now, but some toys are still totally worth it. In this video, I'm sharing my top 21 toys that I still buy at the Dollar Tree for Operation Christmas Child Shoeboxes. Toys that are great quality, fun, and worth every penny. Let's go! Now, most of these items are not my wow gifts, but more of a filler type toy for the shoeboxes. And the first one here are these Adventure Squad Rescue action figures. They're fairly large and they all have a special rescue ability, and they all come with an accessory of some sort. There's 4 different styles, and I think these would be great to add into any of the age boy boxes for a $1.75 action figure. The next toy that I still buy for $1.75 are the Dollar Tree Make It Block sets. They have many different styles depending on what your store has in stock. I love the flowers, and these are assorted vehicles. You can also get different dinosaur and birds. And I also really enjoy getting the 3-count Lego character sets for the shoeboxes. This Make It Blocks storage case is also a great deal for $1.75, and you can use this to turn it into more of a wow gift if you fill it up with different Legos. It looks like Dollar Tree has some new Friends Forever dolls. This one here is Addison, and she loves animals. She has her cowgirl boots. This one is Michaela, who loves music. And these dolls are just a quality doll, better than the Dollar Tree Barbie dolls. And they come in these different styles that you can swap their hair out. Their hair is like a wig that comes off. And these would be great to add in as an extra little doll for your girl boxes, or you could add 2 in. This one here is May, and she is a chef. So just great little dolls to add into your shoeboxes on a budget. And I also really love the outfits that come with these dolls. They have little accessories that come with the outfits, and these fit Chelsea dolls as well. So for $1.75, they're a great bargain, and I try to get different styles when my store has them in stock. Next up are the Wild Creatures 16-piece set of different animals. They have different styles that you can get, like these safari zoo animals. They also have dinosaurs, insects, marine animals, and these are about 10 cents each. That's a great price to add in an extra little toy, especially if you're doing pencil packs or sending filler or just have an extra little space in your shoebox. Another toy that I still think is a great deal are these Etch-a-Sketch mini Magnadoodle type toys. Etch-a-Sketch is a great name brand, and these are well made, and you really can't find a similar item at that price. Next on my list, if you'd like to add some sort of musical instrument into your shoeboxes, I think these recorder flutes for $1.75 are a great deal, and they come in different colors. They have red here as well as blue and green. I did test these out to see if they would fit in the shoebox, and they do just fine with plenty of room. And I also tested out the quality. It's not a wonderful recorder, but it definitely does play. Also on that same note, if you can find these harmonicas in store, $1.75 is a great deal for them. I saw these a couple weeks ago, and when I went back this week, they were gone. So they do tend to sell quickly, and Walmart has a similar style for about $5. An awesome name brand item to look out for are these Uno Go cards. They are a smaller version of Uno, which is well known around the world. And I had in my store up on the top shelf a whole bunch, so it does pay to look up. But Walmart has a similar style for over $7. Another classic toy are these Slinky Juniors, and Walmart has a 48 pack for $115, making them $2.40 each. So this is a better deal. If you want to add a nice, brightly colored puzzle into your shoeboxes, these Puzzle Bug 500-piece puzzles are very hefty and full feeling. They have thicker pieces, and the boxes don't feel like there's a lot of unused space. So I think this is a great deal for a puzzle to add into your shoebox as an extra fun gift. Party items are still $1.25, and this 6-pack of brightly colored whistles makes them only 20 cents each, which is a great price for an extra item. If you're looking for some nice metal die-cast cars to add into your shoe boxes, maybe as a last-minute filler to fill in those gaps or to send to the processing center, this 3-pack of turbo wheels is $1.75, making them only 58 cents each, and they come in several different colors. So I like to have these on hand at packing parties and for filler items to be able to add in a toy car. If you are sending Hot Wheels or toy cars as your wow gift and you have several to include, I love these Hot Wheels cases for $1.75, and they have 6 different slots. You can fill them up with the Hot Wheels cars as well as other little toys and trinkets, and it makes a really nice wow gift. One of my favorite toys to get at the Dollar Tree are these rubber chickens, specifically for the older boys. I think they are just really funny and they'll be a hit with the boys. So they are $1.75 and they come in a lot of bright colors. My kids have them and think they are hilarious. This next toy has a lot of good reviews. It's the sliceable food set, and I like to include these with stuffed animals so the child can feed their animal. My children had a similar type toy for a lot more money, and this does really feel like you're slicing through the fruit or vegetables with the Velcro. So I think a young child would love this, and it's great for the toddler age group. Although I can often find my best stuffed animal deals at Walmart after holiday sales or Dollar General, look at these adorable Wild Kratts stuffed animals. They are new to the Dollar Tree stores and they're only $1.75. Also, keep an eye out for these Christmas plush toys. They're only $1.50 and somebody reported that they're really great quality. Now here are some toys that are above the $1.75 price point that I think are worth it. First up is the $3 pony set. You get 3 different ponies plus 2 brushes and barrettes for only $3. That's cheaper than buying the individual horses that they have for $1.75. Also, this 2-pack dino truck for $5. These are awesome little trucks that rotate. You can put them in a dino-themed shoebox. I think they could be a wow gift even individually. And they come in several different colors that are bright and fun. Here is the $5 tea set. It's similar to the one at Walmart, and you can divide it into 2 sets. So for $2.50, it's a really nice tea play set that you can include with a doll for a little girl to play with. So here is my Dollar Tree haul, what I purchased this time with my favorite items that I think are still worth it to buy for the Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes, even at the increased $1.75 price point. But I was really excited to find these Wild Krat characters. My children loved these guys when they were little. I don't know if they're as popular still, but they're kind of like zoologists that go around and explore different habitats and talk about different creatures. But I think even just as a little stuffed animal guy, these would be fun for the younger boys, and you could make safari-themed shoeboxes to go with them if you wanted. I might even include them together, but they would be a great little boy doll to add into your younger boys' shoeboxes. I got the rubber chickens to stock up for my older boy boxes, and I picked up one of these $3 pony sets with the 3 different ponies in there. I got a few more of the flower make-it block sets, and I think I'm going to include the rose here in one that has a Beauty and the Beast Belle doll. I got some more of the die-cast cars, one of these sliceable food sets, and I got 2 more of the Etch-a-Sketch doodles, 2 Uno sets, a metal slinky, and then I wanted to stock up on these Friends Forever Club dolls, the new styles, and I will probably send 2 together. Plus I got a couple outfits here. I'm doing a musical themed box soon, so I got the recorder and I picked up some of the sea animals. I think the little golden turtle is really pretty, and so I liked that set the best. I'm doing a flower themed box next year, and I just thought that was such a beautiful image. So I picked up one of the Puzzle Bug Deluxe puzzles. And I always try to accumulate these make-it block vehicle sets for the boys. That's just a beloved toy for the 5 to 9-year-olds or 10 to 14-year-olds. So here is my haul from this week. But I hope this encourages you that there are a lot of nice items still, and as we shop year-round, we can try to find the best deals at the best price points, and Dollar Tree still has some good quality toys that are a better deal than finding them elsewhere. If this video was helpful to you and you're enjoying content like this, would you give this video a like and subscribe for more Operation Christmas Child content year-round? And also, is there something I missed here with the Dollar Tree items? Is there a favorite of yours, even at the $1.75 price point, that is still worth it? Let me know in the comments. Until next week, God bless, happy packing. Bye.